This is your science class, and we are going to read chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is microorganism. And in this lesson we will learn type of microorganism, where do microorganisms live, useful microorganism, harmful microorganism, food preservation, nitrogen fixation and nitrogen cycle. A microorganism or microbes is an organism which is too small to be seen by the unaided human eyes. Microorganisms are microscopic and their study is called microbiology. माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म वो जीव होते हैं जो हमारे आँखों से दिखाई नहीं देते और उनको देखने के लिए माइक्रोस्कोप का प्रयोग किया जाता है और इनके स्टडी को माइक्रोबायोलॉजी कहा जाता है. दे आर सिंगल सेल्ड और unicellular organism and live almost anywhere on earth where there is liquid water, including hot springs on the ocean floor and deep inside rock within the earth crust. Microorganisms are critical to nutrient recycling in ecosystem because they act as decomposers, but pathogenic or harmful microbes can eat with other organisms and cause disease. ये कहीं भी रह सकते हैं, ये हार्मफुल भी हो सकते हैं. Type of microorganisms are classified into 4 major groups. These groups are bacteria, fungi, protozoa and some algae. The singular number of these words are bacterium, fungus, protozoan and alga. ये बैक्टीरिया इस तरह होते हैं, बहुत छोटे होते हैं, दिखाई नहीं देते आँखों से. ये फंजी, प्रोटोजोआ एंड एल्गी. Microorganisms may be single celled like bacteria, some algae and protozoa, or multicellular such as algae and fungi. Microorganisms like amoeba can live alone, while fungi and bacteria may live in colonies. Virus can also microorganisms, but they cannot be seen through any microscope. However, they can be photographed through an electron microscope. Virus live and reproduce inside the cell of the host organism, which may be bacterium, plant, animal or human. वायरस लिविंग थिंग और नॉन लिविंग थिंग दोनों होते हैं, क्योंकि वायरस जब किसी लिविंग थिंग के अंदर होते हैं तो वो लिविंग सेल जैसा बिहेव करते हैं, बट कोई वायरस जब लिविंग सेल से बाहर होता है तो वो नॉन लिविंग सेल की तरह रिएक्ट करता है. तो वायरस को लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग में दोनों कैटेगरी में रखा जाता है. They obtain their food from the host cell. Virus exhibit a variety of shapes such as rod legs. वायरस कई शेप के होते हैं, spherical, polygonal, etc. Viruses are also called the sub-microorganisms because तो वायरस वही चीज़, वायरस लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग सेल्स दोनों में होते हैं. You cannot see virus, but you may have felt their effect as the common elements like cold, influenza, flu and most cough are caused by viruses. Serious diseases like polio, chickenpox are also caused by viruses. The name of virus are derived from the name of their host or from the name of the disease caused. For example, the virus living on bacteria is called bacteriophage and the virus causing influenza is called influenza virus. इन्फ्लुएंजा वायरस इस तरह होता है जो माइक्रोस्कोप्स के हेल्प से देखा जाता है. एंड दिस इज द बैक्टीरियोफेज वायरस. वेयर डू माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म लिव, ये कहाँ रहते हैं माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म. Microorganisms live everywhere in air, water, and soil. They can survive under all type of environment, ranging from ice cold climate to hot spring and deserts to marshy lands. Microorganisms are capable of existing in extreme conditions of temperature and dryness by forming a hard outer covering called cyst. When the conditions become favorable, they come out of their cells, multiply, and go through the life cycle. Microorganisms are also found inside the bodies of animals, including humans. Some microorganisms grow on other organisms while others exist freely. Microorganisms like amoeba can live alone while fungi and bacteria may live in colonies. Useful microorganisms.